again.
Because we've all sinned against God. But when we repent of those sins and trust in Jesus Christ alone, the Bible says that God who cleanses us from sin. The Bible says the just shall live by faith. And by faith alone in Christ Jesus alone.
Free concert October 5th, Rick Springfield. Maybe they have like headliners here, and that's why they're checking people. Now they're not checking people.
They're checking people for what?
Like the free concert was like the big draw. But now people can come and go. I wish I would have known that.
Yeah, for cover songs?
No, that was like a real band called German Things.
They seem like they were getting a lot of cover, so that's fine, but